Nature's 4-minute warning, a free-verse poem in stanzas by Jon Lee Junior, taken from Modern Poetry and Free Verse for today by Jon Lee Junior and read here by the poet. Nature's 4-minute warning. When the grumpy Yahweh assured good old Noah and his incestuous, rain-soaked family of begatting biblical dimwits, when he retweaked the sun's transmitter across our electromagnetic projector and flung up that first unforgettable rainbow with its semaphore of will not be destroyed, when he said, never again shall I destroy all flesh, the wordy deity of unfathomable and unbeatably smart forward thinking might not have spoken of all he perceived. Comfortably officed, his presidential prerogative mightn't have felt almightily obliged to make any lordly prophetic scripture about whether we could destroy it all ourselves. How will it be signalled then, the quiet before the crack of doom, as the poplars once stirred in the sacred wood at the hour of Agamemnon's bloody death? Will all static clear from the atmosphere to make paradisal dust-free skies, as at the furthest edge of a mega-storm front, or the still few minutes of a hurricane's ground zero? Or will it be like the last happy, unknowing hour, spent with a soon after deceased loved one, the moment's gift not understood, until later recollected gratefully in the heart? Or will the show be our brilliant ballistic missiles, flaring through ground-to-air national defence shields, skywriting their awe-inspiring acronym contrails on a lit-up, irradiated, pyrotechnic glow atmosphere? His multifunctional point may be that our last minutes for living decently might also thus instruct us, by juxtaposition, of what it is we've now screwed up forever.